The journey begins in the digital realm, where innovative designs for autonomous flight take shape. Raw carbon fiber sheets, chosen for their unparalleled strength and lightness, are prepared for fabrication. Automated precision cutting transforms raw sheets into the lightweight, durable frames of future drones. Under immense pressure and heat, the carbon fiber frames are cured, enhancing their structural integrity. Microscopic pathways are etched onto circuit boards, forming the complex nervous system of the drone. Robotic arms precisely place thousands of tiny electronic components onto each circuit board. Boards pass through a reflow oven, where solder melts and cools, creating robust electrical connections. Advanced optical systems meticulously inspect every circuit board for even the slightest manufacturing flaw. Tiny copper coils are precisely wound, forming the electromagnetic heart of each drone motor. Powerful magnets are meticulously integrated into the motor casings, readying them for flight. Molten polymers are injected into molds, shaping the aerodynamically efficient propellers. Each propeller undergoes rigorous balancing to ensure smooth, stable, and vibration-free flight. Individual battery cells are precisely welded together, forming powerful and reliable energy packs. The battery management system is integrated, crucial for monitoring and optimizing power delivery. Precision optics are meticulously assembled, forming the high-resolution eyes of the drone. Inertial measurement units and other sensors undergo rigorous calibration to ensure accurate flight data. The powerful brushless motors are securely mounted onto the drone's lightweight carbon fiber frame arms. Electronic speed controllers are wired in, translating flight controller commands into precise motor movements. The flight controller, the drone's brain, is carefully installed and secured within the chassis. Intricate wiring harnesses are connected, linking every sensor and component to the central flight system. Durable landing gear is fitted, preparing the drone for both gentle landings and rugged terrain. The drone's protective outer shell is meticulously closed, safeguarding its advanced internal systems. The aerodynamically designed propellers are carefully installed, giving the drone its wings. The high-definition camera and stabilized gimbal are precisely mounted, ready to capture stunning aerial views. Communication antennae are carefully installed, ensuring robust control and data links during flight. The fully charged battery pack is securely inserted, providing the vital power for flight. Essential flight firmware is uploaded, imbuing the drone with its operational intelligence. The drone awakens as systems power on, confirmed by sequences of indicator lights. The camera gimbal is rigorously tested, guaranteeing perfectly stable footage regardless of drone movement. Motors and propellers undergo initial spin tests at low RPMs to confirm basic functionality. In a controlled indoor environment, the drone demonstrates its ability to achieve stable, precise hover. Automated flight paths are tested, verifying the drone's navigational accuracy and software control. Drones are subjected to intense vibration tests, ensuring structural integrity and component resilience. Drones endure extreme temperature variations within environmental chambers, guaranteeing performance in any climate. Payload capacity is rigorously tested, confirming the drone's ability to lift and transport various equipment. Dedicated calibration chambers fine-tune each camera, ensuring optimal color accuracy and focus. Each smartphone undergoes rigorous water resistance testing in pressurized chambers, simulating real-world conditions. Robotic arms conduct brutal drop tests, ensuring the device can withstand accidental impacts. Before packaging, each phone receives a final, meticulous cleaning and often a protective screen application. Finally, the completed smartphones are boxed, sealed, and prepared for global distribution.